Welcome, my dear student friends. Today we are going to be learning chapter 18. It is the last chapter in our unit 4. This is a swings. Okay, so this is a very important topic. You have to give more attention on this swings concept. Let us just see what is a swings. Okay, so here we are seeing the origin of swings. Let us just see what is the origins and design philosophy of a swing. The earlier version of Java were released with some libraries. If you are using the JDK 1.2, before JDK 1.2, we are using some of Java versions with some simple libraries. By the introduction of JDK 1.2, with a new set of packages. This JDK 1.2 will come with a new set of packages. There's a new set of packages called as JFC. JFC short form is Java Foundation classes. So by using this Java Foundation classes, now you are seeing Java Foundation class that includes improved user interfaces. So this Java Foundation class gives better user interfaces of your AWT. Okay, so hence this improved version of JFC gives a better user interface look and feel. Hence this is because of this Java Foundation class. This Java Foundation class is also called the swing components. Let us see JFC's user interface is called as a swing component. Okay, JFC were developed to address the shortcoming of AWT abstract window toolkit. So why this JFC has came into existence? Because some of the drawbacks in your abstract window toolkit. Okay, that is whatever the applet program you have developed, it consists of some of the limitations. Whatever the controls, whatever the class you are using, it is having some limitations. Okay, so hence this JFC was unique, and JFC 1.2 is an extension of AWT, not a replacement for it. Even though we are using Java Foundation class, it is not a replacement of your AWT. It is the extension means some add-on features it possesses to this AWT component. Okay, the JFC visual component extended the AWT container classes. If you are using this JFC, this JFC visual components extends AWT container classes. Okay, whatever the JFC Java Foundation class visual components means your controls, visually appearing tools. These tools are your text box, text area, buttons, whatever it may be. That whatever the class you are using, this class is acting as an AWT container classes. Okay, these act as an AWT container classes. The method contained in the components and container classes that AWT programmers are familiar with are still valid for JFC visual classes. So whatever the methods are contained in JFC components and container classes, it is relevant to your AWT container class. Okay, so till now we have learned AWT components, methods, classes. It is similar to your JFC classes also. AWT programmer is familiar with JFC visual component. The AWT user interface classes are now superseded by class provided by the JFC. Whatever the user interface you are developing by using AWT, now it is superseded means it is inheriting. Okay, these interfaces are inheriting from JFC classes. Okay, so JFC classes has inherited these AWT classes, and the support classes play an important role in JFC applications. For whatever the JFC classes we are using, this supports an important role in Java Foundation class applications. Whatever the software you are developing, that software consists of a Windows. That Windows are using these classes. Okay, these JFC classes is an extension of AWT component as well as containers classes. AWT supports classes Those that do not create a native window are not replaced by JFC classes. Hence, AWT supports classes. Those do not create a native window. It doesn't create a native window. Old codes are not replaced by JFC classes. So it doesn't uses the old window codings and it is not replaced by JFC classes. So JFC classes is an extension, right? It has to follow the same coding pattern which we have developed in your AWT components as well as controls. Okay, and now we are moving to the swings. Now we are moving to the swings. Let us see what is the swing. Okay, yes. Now swing component facilitate efficient. This is a very important question. Please make a note. Swing component facilitate efficient graphical user interface development. So by using these swing components, it provides a well version of a graphical user interface. Okay, that well version to graphical user interface, as we know, whatever you see is whatever you get, and hence these components are a collection of lightweight visual component. Whatever the controls appearing in these swing components, these are the collection of lightweight visual components. Okay, these swings components are lightweight visual component. Swing components contain replacement for the heavyweight AWT component as well as a complex user interface component such as the trees and tables. Even you are using these swing components are the replacement of your heavyweight component. Whatever is the heavyweight component, whatever the controls, whatever the tools, that is buttons or text box or choice checkbox, choice list, all these are the classes of AWT is heavyweight component as well as complex user interfaces such as the tables and trees are the replacement of a swing component. Okay, swing component contains pluggable look and feel. So this is a one of important thing. It consists of a pluggable look and feel. Whatever you have placed, plugging means you are placing whatever the control you are placing, that will give the fields. Okay, that control will appear, and if you interact with that control, it gives the interaction. So hence that is why swing component contain a pluggable look and feel. This allow all application to run with native look and feel on different platform. Why it is like that pluggable and feel means, this allows the application, whatever the applications you are developing, to run with native look. So it is similar to your old coding system and feel on different platform. So if you are running this same code in different platform, then it is using the same old codes for running in any operating systems. Okay, pluggable look and feel PL and F allows application to have the same behavior on various platform. Whatever the operations behavior means, here the operations or the methods or the execution levels you are specifying in your application will remain same in any platform. Okay, it remains the same. Its functionality is the same in whatever you are running in your applications. And JFC contains operating system neutral look and feel. If you observe your JFC Java Foundation class, it contains operating system neutral look and feel. Okay, it consists of a neutral look and feel. Now we are moving to swing components doesn't contain peers. Here peers means some communication systems. Okay, some communication codes or some friend codes. Okay, swing component allow mixing AWT heavyweight and swing lightweight component in an application. If you are using your swing components, it consists of the combination of heavyweight component as well as lightweight component in your application, in your softwares. Right. The major difference between lightweight and heavyweight component is that lightweight component can have transparent pixels while heavyweight component are always opaque. If you see, if you are using the lightweight component, then that lightweight component is a transparent pixel. It will appear clearly. Okay, it is a crystal clear view will be provided in your interface, whereas if you are using the heavyweight component, it doesn't give crystal clear view in your user interface, right? As you know, what is a transparent? Nowadays a transparent clothes are familiar because it display inner where inner you have wear the clothes, right? Transparent clothes are familiar, right? So nowadays it is getting a fashion. So in the same sense, whatever the control you have developed by using this swing component, it is a mixture of lightweight component as well as heavyweight component that you will be identified in your smartphones in your user interfaces, right? And some of the apps are lightweight and some of the apps are clear crystally showing the background of your interface, and some of them are not showing the background of your interfaces, right? So hence lightweight component can be non-regular while heavyweight component are to be always regular. If you observe, your lightweight component can be non-regular shape and your heavyweight component are regular shape. So hence it can be identified in your operating system, in your smartphones, Android based operating systems, your apps. If your apps is not providing in a rounded sorry, not in a rectangular shape, it is in somewhat rounded rectangle shape, hence it is a lightweight component. Whatever the app is appearing on your operating in your Android operating system, these are the thing the user interface has been developed by using swing component itself only. Okay, so your heavyweight component are always rectangular shape. Now let us see the next point. Swing components are Java Bean compliant. Here Java Bean is a one of our additional topic. This Java Bean is also helpful for enterprise edition. Enterprise means business editions. Okay, if you are developing a business type applications or business purposeful softwares, then your swing components are used this Java Bean complaints. Okay, complaint means here not is a giving a complaints, it is accessing these Java Bean components. Okay, these allow components to be used easily in a bean aware application building programs. Whenever you are developing such a bean component applications, then at that time these swings allows this bean component for developing your application programs. The root of the majority of the swing hierarchy is the J component classes. If you observe, even if you are using the bean classes, then the majority of the hierarchical class is J component class. In the J component class is consist all your controls. Your all controls, your controls means components. Components means as you have learned various components like text field, box, button, text area, like that classes. The class is an extension of AWT container class. If you observe, this bean component is also consist of a J component class, while majority is J component class itself only. Hence, this is the extension of your AWT container class. As we know, Swing is an extension of AWT. Okay, yes. Now we will see the difference between this 2 marks question is asked in various papers. So this is also very important topic. You have to give more attention on this. Difference between Swing and AWT. Let us see. Swing components does not need any native code to implement. If you are using the Swing component, it doesn't require any old coding system to develop. AWT component can be implementing with code. So your AWT code is developing with code. Okay, Swing lets you to specify which look and feel your program graphical user uses. So as we know, whatever the control you are using on your user interface, it will give look and feel, pluggable look and feel interfaces. But AWT component are always have look and feel of the native platform. Of the native platform means old coding system itself only. Okay, Swing components does not have to be rectangular. For example, buttons can be rounded, but AWT components are always rectangular. Here you are seeing one of our application code. Whenever you are developing a certain application code for a software, here the diagram shows whenever you are developing a software by using certain codes that user interfaces can be developed by using the Swing component. This Swing components can be inherited the JFC foundation classes, and it is an extension of AWT. By using these Swing components, you can build two-dimensional programs, drag and drop programs, or drag and drop softwares, or two-dimensional softwares and accessibilities. As you know, what do you mean by an accessibility? If you want to install unwanted unknown source apps, then you have to give the permissions, accessibilities. Those services are also allowable by using these Swing components. Okay, so that is the major difference between Swing and AWT. Now we will see the features of AWT. Before that, let us see these swing components consist of large percentages of JFC classes. It consists of large percentages of JFC classes. This swing component toolkit contains over 250 pure Java classes. So this swing component has been developed by using 250 pure Java classes and 75 interfaces. These 75 interfaces has been placed within a 10 packages. As you know, what is a package? What is a package? Package is a collection of classes, methods, and interfaces, right? So if you are using the swing components, means it has comprises a 250 pure Java coding system with 75 interfaces, and these classes and interfaces has been placed within 10 packages, 10 folders. Okay, they can use it to build lightweight user interfaces. By using these component classes, you can build lightweight user interfaces. Swing consists of user interfaces. UI stands for user interfaces class and non-user interface classes. You please go through here. Here the user interface class and non-user interface classes are exist. The non-user interface classes provide services and other operation for the user interface classes. Okay, it provides services. Here, please observe what is the non-user interface class. It provides the service. For example, if you buy a mobile, if it is damaged within a week, then you are going for an approachment of a service, right? How you are going for the service? By providing your warranty card. So these non-user interfaces classes are acting as a service operations, a service operation of your user interfaces classes. Okay, so likewise it will provide services to your user interfaces. Got it? And next, swing features. This is a 5 marks question. Go through it. Let us see what is the swing features. So first, MVC architecture, model view control architecture. MVC stands for model view controller. Okay, the user can provide his own data model for a component by subclassing the model class or by implementing the appropriate interface. So user who is developing an application, he can provide his own data model component or by subclassing the model class or by implementing appropriate interface. So he is having a choice to decide his interface, right? So you are setting the pattern security questions or some patterns, or after that it is not supposed to show, or if you turn you are swiping your user interface in your Android phone, it will give some styles, right? That styles you are specifying according to your requirement, right? That is a one way of MVC architecture. The model view controller, the model view controller architecture is used consistently throughout the swing component set. If you want to use this model view controller architecture, it has to use built-in available set. By using that built-in available styles, we are applying that model view control. The view and controller parts of the architecture are combined in the component. Here, whatever the view is available and controller parts of the architecture are combined in this component. Okay, controller part is separate and view part is separate. Those two parts are combined in this component. And next, nested container. As we know what is a nested container, swing was designed to manage the nested container gracefully. So here we are having heavyweight component, lightweight component. These are the sum of components. We are mixed up with these components we are using in our application programs. Okay, yes, let us see the main heavyweight containers. Here if you observe the heavyweight containers, J window, J frame. So if you want to develop a full-fledged window applications, then you have to use heavyweight containers. The heavyweight containers is named with window. That window is, if you provided it is a J, then it is Java Foundation classes, that is your swing. J window, J frames. So frames is a location where it holds multiple controls, right? As well as the major lightweight containers. Here also contains the major lightweight containers, that is J internal frame and J component. These are the lightweight containers. By using these lightweight containers, we can hold a little internal frames and J components. Okay, so all these are placed in the operation of J root pane. J root pane is the hierarchy where J root pane is a parent class where it holds entire J internal frame class as well as J component class. This commonly produce high degree of regularity in container nesting. Okay, this commonly produces high degree of regularity, that high degree of regularity in container nesting. So in the nesting means it consists of heavyweight as well as lightweight. In one container you are placing another container. You can place lightweight container in heavyweight container, but you can't place heavyweight container in lightweight containers. Okay, got it? Yes, this is commonly produce high degree of regularity in container nesting. In particular, since the fundamental component class J component contain J root pane, virtually any component can be nested with another. So by using these component classes, it contains the J root pane, highest parental pane. Through that highest parental root pane, where virtually any component can be nested with any another. So hence you can place any component can be nested with any another. Component can be nested, but containers not nested. Okay, please make a note. And next we are having key handling feature. What is the mean by key handling? Let us see here. Okay, a user can register interest in a particular combination of keystrokes by creating keystroke object and registering it with component. Suppose if you are touching or double touching or if you are swiping, these are the keystroke handlings, right? So here it is suggesting the same thing. A user can register interest in a particular combination. Sometimes we are zooming. How you are zooming? Right, in your user interfaces you are zooming just like this, right? So this is our keystroke handling. If I touch, it will go to the next slide, right? So if I swipe, it will go to the next slide. Got it? So likewise you are using some keystroke handlings. So if you want to handle keystroke handlings, user can register interest in a particular combination of keystroke by creating a keystroke object and registering it with component. That keystroke object has to be created and it should be registered with component. That has to be registered in component. If it is a register only, then I can zoom it or I can touch it, I can pinch it. Okay, if it is not registered, then keystroke will not work in your Android operating systems. Got it? When the keystroke combination is registered along with its association action, certain condition have to be specified. When the keystroke is happening, you have to specify some condition, what it has to be taken place. If I double click, what it has to be taken place. If I back swap, what it has to be do, right? Got it? Now I have double tapped, it has moved to the next two slides, right? If I zoom it, right, it will be zoomed. If I zoom out, it will be zoom outing. All these are the keystroke. It will be the condition we have to be specified. Whatever the condition you are specifying to your swing components, it has to be registered, and according to the action it will determine the initiation. Okay, initiation will be happens. Initiation means the action should be taken place. And next one is the action object. Action interface object provides a single point of control for program actions. So here also consists of an action object. This object provides single point of controls. So it will provide only single point of controls for your program action. An example of this would be a toolbar icon and a menu item referring on the same action object. So here one example is given. Here it consists of a toolbar icon. In this toolbar icon and a menu item is referring, if you're referring that menu item is of from that toolbar only, right? That menu item will refer through from that toolbar icon due to some action objects. Got it? Yes. When action object is disabled, the GUI item that reference it are automatically disabled. If you are disable the action object, then automatically whatever the referring that disabled object is unable to interact that. Okay, so that is the action object is also providing. And another one is virtual desktops. Virtual, as you know what is the meaning of a virtual desktop, right? The J desktop pane and J internal frame class can be used to create a virtual desktop or multiple document interface. So here it provides not existing interfaces. Okay, for example, J desktop pane and J internal frame classes. J desktop pane and J internal frame classes can be used to create virtual desktop or multiple document interface. So if as we know what is a multiple document interface as well as virtual document virtual desktop, as we have learned in your lab. So in your same operating system, it consists of a virtual machine. In the virtual machine you are picking some other operating system, right? So it is acting as a virtual desktop and also multiple document interface. So where one document is holding several different documents, right? J internal frame can be specified as a cognizable, expandable or closable. Whatever the J internal frame you are using, it can be cognizable, expandable or closable, while the J desktop pane provides real estate for them to operate it. Wherever the J desktop pane you are using, it will be real estate. Real estate means it is a plotting and operate on that controls. Okay, whatever the user interfaces you are providing, it will be operated through J desktop panes by using some of the controls. Next one is a pluggable look and feel. As we have learned, pluggable look and feel, that is also provide a user can select a look and feel and this can be plugged in. Whatever the look and feels you are select, it will be displayed. Okay, plug in. Okay, an interface made of a swing component can look like a Win32 app and a Modify app. So whatever the interface you made of a swing component can look like a Win32 app. Whatever the interface we have developed, it will be give the swing component look with Windows 32 application. Windows 32 application means it is a user interface. It will give Windows 32 application a Modify app. So it is a Modify applications. Whatever the designs you have designed, it is a part of this Windows 32 application. It can use the new metal look and feel. Also you can give a new style to your user interface, metal look and feel. Okay, and next one is wide variety of components. Class name that starts with J or components. Wide variety of components, please observe here. Whatever the class name you are using, that class name starts with J or the components that are added to the application. So your components is added with the class as J. For example, if in your last you have used button object button B, right? Text field object text, right? Now if you want to define your component using swing, then you have to supposed to use J class. That for example in your applications, if you want to develop any applications, you have to use J button, J list, J panel. Okay, if you are using J button, J list, J panel, automatically it will be treated as a swing because it inherits the Java Foundation class. J always indicates Java Foundation classes, swings. So that is about your swing features. In the next class we will see this component and containers. This is also very very important question. It has been asked in your last question paper, I think so 2019 or 18 it has been asked. So this is a very very important question. We will continue this chapter in next class.